Namaste, welcome to 7 with Salma. Today we're going to do a chakra toning class. It's just the usual short shebang. We're going to use just the bija mantras, the seed sound of each chakra, and vibrating that sound out loud, slowly getting softer and softer till you just feel that silence or that sound resonating in the silence within your own body, connecting to the forces of that chakra that relate to our life. So all you have to do is find a comfortable seat, or you can do this lying down, and just go along for your balancing toning session just to help align our chakras, bring ourselves back into balance. There are other ways, of course, too, but this is just the way we're going to use today. Always listen to your doctors or any wellness practitioners you're working with and how they're guiding you through your practices. If you ever have any questions, send me an email. Namaste and enjoy. So just coming to your comfortable seat. Anywhere you are, you can even do this lying down. If you're seated, you can turn your palms up. If you're feeling a little more anxious, you can always bring the palms down onto the legs. And here, with your eyes softly closed, just coming to your breath, inhaling and exhaling. Keep breathing and just bring your awareness to your pelvic floor. And at your pelvic floor, just get in touch with a sense of stability, of support, as we invite in the mantra, Lam, 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 Lam. Begin by saying this out loud, slowly getting softer and softer. Lam, Lam, Lam. Till you're just feeling it internally resonate. Just holding your awareness at your pelvic floor, strength, stability, support. Bring your awareness to your pelvic bowl in between the hip bones, connecting to a sense of your creativity, of your desires, of your sexuality. And inviting in the mantra, Vam, 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 Vam. Begin again by saying this out loud and slowly getting softer and softer and softer. Vam, Vam, Vam. Till you just feel it internally resonate. Holding your attention in your pelvic bowl, creativity, connection to your sexuality, moving towards the desires that serve you in life. Bring your awareness to your navel center and inviting in a sense of strength, willpower, the ability to metabolize and digest all of our life circumstances and foods we take in. Ram, Ram. Rolling the R if you can, no worries if you can't. Ram, Ram. Slowly getting softer and softer. Ram, Ram, Ram. Slowly until you get to a sense of internally resonating sound. Connecting to that strength, willpower, ability to take in all that we experience, releasing what no longer serves us. Bringing your awareness to your heart center, connecting to your love, compassion for others and for yourself. Inviting in harmonious relationships. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Slowly getting softer and softer. Yum, yum. Till you just feel that eternal vibration, resonance at your heart center, connecting to your love, compassion, harmonious relationships. Bringing your awareness to your throat center, connecting to the sense of clear communication, the ability to freely and clearly express yourself, and also to hold the space for others to freely express themselves. Hear freely, clearly. Speak freely, clearly. Hum, 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 hum. Slowly getting softer and softer until you just feel that internal resonance and vibration, connecting with that sense of clear communication, easy expression at your throat center. Bringing your awareness to your third eye, to have complete access to our intuition, to make decisions that most align with ourselves and our path. Kasham, 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 kasham. Slowly getting softer and softer. Kasham, kasham. Until you just feel that internal resonance, vibration at your third eye, connecting to your intuition and ability to make decisions that align with you, your soul, your purpose. And bringing the awareness to the crown of your head, to have a connection to all, to feel a part of the universal whole. Slowly getting softer and softer. Just till you feel that resonance, that radiance of that resonance cocooning you like an aura. Basking in this resonance of connection to all. Infinite potential. The deepest wisdom. All the knowledge. To your heart center, feeling the palms touch, allowing yourself to come back fully into your body. Lightly nod the chin towards your chest, flicker your eyes open, lifting the gaze in your own time. And may you feel in tune with yourself always, and always know you can come back to yourself. Namaste. I hope you're feeling a little bit more centered, a little bit more balanced, and know that you can always just come back to yourself and realign. Sound is such a wonderful way. Even if you're in a space that you can't use the mantra out loud, you can just feel it within you, tune in, and just bring yourself into more harmony. Have a beautiful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening, and I'll see you soon.